And Suman, let's do the review for Asus laptop. Yesterday I purchased from Flipkart and today I got delivered. It's pretty fast. Flipkart is really amazing. So I'll do the review for this. Just keep watching. Yeah. I'm taking in the wrapper of this. It's really good packing. You can see a lot of tape they have added in this to protect. So under that there is one more box. Here it is. So let's throw it out this one and we'll do this. Looks pretty amazing. See this one? See this one? Yeah. Right now I'm doing unboxing. After a few days later, I'll do the review about this laptop. See, once we open, we can see this is the laptop. I think they have given something. Don't know what is this. Okay, this is something we can add extra RAM or something like that. For that they have given this one. Okay, sorry, this is for the HDD kit. Hard disk, we can add extra hard disk for this. And here is the charging port, charging wire, and this is the port adapter. Let me see anything. Yeah, they have given some document. Let's see what all this. This is the document they have given. You can see. For service related query, we can use this one. This is the some document also, another document. So these are the three things they have given. And here we go with the laptop. Looks pretty amazing, right? See this one. Asus badge is there, and here some information is there. Fan is there. 5 fan is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fans are there, and they have given some information. Here, model number is M51550. Yeah. Let me open this laptop. Let me open this. Ta-da! Whoa, it looks pretty amazing. Let's see this. They have given HDMI cable is there, Asus laptop, and this one, and this is touch sensor. So AMD Ryzen AMD processor. Ryzen 3. That's it. Let me switch off. Let's see. Let's connect the wire. It's not getting on, so I think it would be discharged. So first we have to put in charging, then after we can see it's getting on or not. Where is the charging point? See, it's a lightweight laptop. It's for daily uses. There is HDMI cable, USB port. This is the fan, and this point is for the charging, laptop charging. And from this side, you can see there is 2 USB port. One is for your headphone 3.5 jack, and there's a memory card reader here also. These are the indicators one for the charging, and I'm not sure